So today I am actually going to be just opening up my play box from Sephora. I got it last week before the holidays, but because of the holidays and everything, I didn't unbox it. I didn't try any products out, nothing. So I'm gonna do an unboxing with you guys today and we'll try some of these products out. I hope that everybody had a great holiday. And now we have New Year's. Oh my gosh. So, okay. Love tips and tricks and beauty hacks. Sephora.com play. Comes like this, guys. Super cute. Nice. Oh, 50 beauty insider points for December in the play box. Okay, let's see here. We've got Behold the Golden Smashbox Cover Shot Eyeshadow Duo in Golden Hour. Gloss like a boss. Anastasia Beverly Hills Lip Gloss in Vintage. Ooh. Make Room for Volume Dry Bar Triple Sec 3-in-1. On the Blink of Success Laura Mercier Eye Basic in Wheat. Yes. A Gilded Glow Peter Thompson Ross 24 karat Gold Pure Luxury Lift and Firm Prism Cream. And New Orchid on the Block Tom Ford Black Orchid. Oh, this is a great box, guys. Great box. Look how cute. Oh, it's so cute. I love this little gold bag. Oh, look how cute it comes wrapped, you guys. This is so cute. Glam straight. Glam straight. This is adorable. Okay, so this is the Peter Thompson Raw 24 karat gold pure luxury lift and firm prism cream all over self-adjusting illuminator and targeted highlighter illuminator. Oh, I cannot wait to try this out on my face, you guys. I'm gonna swatch it real quick on my hand just so we, oops, not a little much, oopsie. And let's see, how much do you get here? You get 0.47 fluid ounces, so almost 5 fluid ounces. Ooh. Oh, it's creamy. Oh, I like it. Except I don't see, oh, there's maybe the highlight. Oh, okay, I see it, yeah. I put it on like half of my hand. Half of my hand is like pretty glowy and the other half isn't. I don't know if you can tell. So the way that you're supposed to do this, directions may be used all over the face and body or as a targeted highlighter. To highlight face, apply desired amount to fingertips and blend into cheekbones, brow bones, bridge of the nose, and the temples. Highlight body by applying to shoulders and legs. So yeah, can't wait to try this out on my actual face. This will be a fun little tester. Let's see what else is in this gorgeous little bag. We have got triple sec from the dry bar, triple sec 3-in-1. What is this? This is, man, you know, the only bad thing about little sample sizes like this is that the print is even smaller. So let's see, what's it say? It says texturizes, amplifies, refreshes, shake extremely well, spray 4 to 6 inches from dry hair. Okay, let's try this out real quick. I can try this out on my hair right now. So let's see, I washed my hair yesterday, I think, and I just put in my roof lifter in and then straightened my hair like normal. And it, I mean, today it is kind of flat, even with my Kenra roof lifter. Oh my gosh, I can't talk. So let me try this out. So shake it really, really well. Whoa. Whoa. Oh my gosh, the smell. Oh, the smell is amazing. Woo! Oh, that's good. You guys, that's good stuff. Oh, yes. I just found a new favorite. For sure. Oh, this is going to be a full-size purchase, guys. Full-size purchase right there. All right, let's see what else we have here. We have the Eye Basics by Laura Mercier. Primes, perfects, and brightens. This is in the color Wheat. But it's crease proof and water resistant. Eye Basics is the perfect primer to use along. I can't talk and I can't read today. My gosh. Okay, it is the perfect primer to use alone or under your favorite products for prolonged wear. The medium coverage creamy texture blends easily and smoothly, leaving a long-lasting denim matte finish. A little goes a long way. Apply to the eyelid with a cream eye contour brush, cream eye color brush, or clean fingertips. Follow with desired eye colors and eyeliners for a look that lasts. This is going to be fun to use. I have been using Urban Decay eyeshadow primer, and I like it. I definitely think it helps to prolong my eyeshadow and it helps it to not crease, which is great. But I do like to try new products, and usually I get kind of stuck in one brand. So if like I find something in MAC that I like, I buy everything in MAC, and it's like I don't want to venture out and try new lipsticks or new blushes or new highlighters and things like that. And it's kind of the same thing with skincare. I have done the same thing with Estee Lauder for years, and now it's like I'm kind of to the point where I want to see what else is out there. I want to see the world. I want to try new things. So I am going to have so much fun trying out that new eyeshadow primer because the Urban Decay, it's good. I like it, but I want to try something new. Okay, you guys, next is the Tom Ford Black Orchid. And let's have a whiff of this one. I don't really think that one's good. Woo! I don't think that's going to be for me. Oh gosh. It's a strong scent. It's might remind me a little bit too much. I don't like to say this, but it might remind me a little bit too much of my grandmother. I'm sorry. But I'm just being honest. And that's just my opinion, solely my opinion. Maybe the testers, you know, don't smell as well as the full sizes. I don't know. Maybe I should go try it out at Macy's or Nordstrom or something. But that one is that's just not for me. Sorry. All right, you guys. Next we have the Anastasia Beverly Hills Vintage Lip Gloss. Ooh, let's swatch this one real quick. What color did we say this was? Ooh, this is gonna work very well with my skin tone, I think. I think that's gonna look great, guys. What do you think? Very pretty, very, very pretty. All right, let's take a peek at what's next. And last but not least, we have this. Oh, look how cute this is. It's so cute. I love it. The Smashbox. Let's see, this was the Golden Hour Eyeshadow Duo. The colors are turned on and psyched. Oh, I like it. So let's do a quick swatch here. Oh, pretty. Here, let me get a little bit more. Oh, very pretty colors, you guys. I'm going to love playing with these for sure. Come on, camera, focus. Very nice color. Okay, you guys, so I am going to try out the lipstick that I got in the play box. This is the Anastasia, the ABH in Vintage. It's just a lip gloss. I'm not going to try out the highlighter or anything because I already did my makeup for the day, and I'm sorry, I don't want to ruin it because look at how beautiful the shadow looks. This is the eyeshadow from my last video, New Makeup Monday, and it is the House of Lashes and Sephora collection in the Versailles. This is the cooler colors I have on my eye today. Let's see. I did the Marigold, the Stone, and the Dahlia. So this one here, this one, and this beautiful here. I am seriously loving this palette. It's so cool. So I'm not going to try out the Smashbox, but I just took off the gloss or the lipstick that I had on. So I'm going to try this Anastasia out for you guys. Such a pretty color. Such a pretty color. I'm really hoping that I like it. I have never actually tried an AV8. Coverage is pretty good. Oh, I think I like this color more than the one I had on earlier. It's a nice pinky color. I like it. It's very smooth. Hopefully it's long wearing. I will let you guys know how I liked it. I'll leave it leave my information down in the description box on how long wearing it is and how it lasts and how it holds up to baby kisses and everything else. Alright you guys, I hope that you enjoyed this new Makeup Monday, and don't forget to join me again. Alright you guys, don't forget to like this video and hit that subscribe button, and as always, I'll see you lovelies later. Goodbye!